Thank you for using aosu Video Doorbell V8P. What's in the box? Connection guide. Only support 2.4G Wi-Fi. Not support 5G Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code or search aosu in the App Store or Google Play. Click to download the app. Register or log into the app. Please select the Video Doorbell V8P equipment. Choose Add Device. Select Model Video Doorbell Pro. Plug in the home base and wait until the light blinks green. Press and hold the sync button for 3 seconds, and then follow the instructions in the app to continue. Press the sync for 5 seconds until you hear beep. Please select 2.4G Wi-Fi and not support 5G Wi-Fi. Generate QR code. Show the QR code and scan using the doorbell camera. The Wi-Fi home base is connecting to your network. Please wait a moment. You have successfully saved your settings. Video Doorbell Installation Introduction. Only support battery powered, not support wire powered. It is recommended that you install the video doorbell 4 feet from the ground. Note that if you are placing the doorbell close to a side wall, make sure that the wall is not in view. Otherwise, infrared light will be reflected and night vision will become blurred. Take out the positioning sticker. Place the screw hole positioning sticker against the wall to mark the position. Drill 2 holes through the screw hole positioning card with a 6mm drill bit. Insert the provided anchors, and then use the provided long screws to secure the mounting bracket on the wall. Use a screwdriver to install the screws. Align the doorbell on top and then snap it on the bottom. Press it down until it clicks into place. How to charge. Use the Type-C charging cable included on the package. Plug into socket. Recharge the doorbell. aosu Video Doorbell V8P. Smart home more secure.